Welcome to the Grand Floridian Villas. We're in a deluxe studio on the 5th floor, room 1511. So come inside with us and we'll take you on a look round. So as we first come through the door, you can see that the room that we've got is adjoining to a 1-bedroom, so they can be a 2-bedroom villa. So we shall pop some suitcases in front of that. But then we've got a hallway and then through to the main room. So let's take a left first, and I'll also zoom out a little bit so we can see more clearly. So coming in through the first door on the left, you can see we've got a sink ahead of us with a mirror over it and then a shaving mirror on the right. Plenty of towels and also plenty of storage space there. We've got some tissues on the left hand side. And then we've also got a few H2O toiletries. So we've got some facial soap, some mouthwash and some body lotion. So then turning round behind me, we've got a very large shower. So we've got a rainfall head and then also a handheld one. In the pumps on the wall are some body wash, conditioner and shampoo. And then there's also, if I just move the bath mat out of the way, a seat in the shower with some soap. So if I turn for 180 degrees, behind me we've got a door through to the other half of the bathroom. So this half, which also has a door out into the main building, has the commode, plenty more towels, and then hiding behind this curtain we've got the bath. Whoops! So we've got some more body wash, conditioner and shampoo on the wall there. And then at the other end, you can see we've got the faucet to fill the bath and some more soap, and then a shower over the top. So it is possible for 2 people to shower at once in this studio. And then right at the very top there, there's a washing line. So coming out of the bathroom and back into that main hall area, there's the door where we first came in. Opposite us, we've got a wardrobe. So if I just open that, and then we'll have a look inside. So a little bit dark in the wardrobe, and you'll have to forgive us because we have popped a few of our bits in there. But we've got a safe and an iron, and then nice treat because it's the Grand Floridian, couple of bathrobes. So that makes a nice change from normal DVC accommodation. Definitely looking forward to taking advantage of those. We've got the ironing board to go with the iron, and we've got some shelving. And then hiding in here, we've got a hairdryer, some laundry detergent, some more tissues and some more toilet paper. And then up on that top shelf we've got a couple of extra pillows and blankets. So if I shut the wardrobe door again, to the left of it we have a little kitchenette area. And you can see we've already been to Gasparilla Grill and purchased our refillable mugs, but everything else came with the room. So we've got a microwave. And then, unfortunately, post-COVID, we are still on paperware in terms of bowls and plates, but we have got plenty of it, so that will be helpful for this trip. We're staying here a week, so we'll see how we get on. Got a sink, kitchen roll, dish soap and tea towel and sponge. I've actually got a Keurig machine, so we'll have to see if we can figure out how to use that. And then they've started us off with 7 coffees and a tea of some sort, a green tea, just the one, Rogue green tea. Toaster, 2 slots, and then beneath that we've got a fridge, and it's definitely a actual fridge, so plenty of storage space in there, so that'll be useful. And then underneath the sink we have got some more bits and pieces, fire extinguisher and a bin. So just one last thing to show you in this area. If I turn round, you can see that we have got a mirror, and then over there we've got Colin, who's about to show you the rest of the room.
So here we have the living and sleeping area. Nice king size bed with some storage, it's like sort of half and half, so you can probably slip a suitcase under the left hand side there, And if you walk round to the right side, there's a couple of drawers to pull out, which have got a reasonable amount of space in them. You might have a bit of a challenge getting into the back drawer though, as it's kind of blocked off a little by the bedside cabinet. Bedside cabinet has a couple of drawers. That's pretty much it for storage in here. As although it looks, there might be some other bits and pieces here, it's all a bit deceptive. We've got a nice big screen, and underneath what looks like another couple of units, but in fact they're kind of sort of technical cables, and I think a Blu-ray player under there. And this here is actually another bed with a Dumbo scene. Won't be needing that. And over here we have yet another bed. So you can certainly squeeze some people in here. 5, I would have thought. This is our arrival day, and we've been greeted with a bit of a downpour. It'll go away soon. It's a very nice, bright, light and airy room. Little sofa, although sofa not at the greatest angle for watching the TV. I think most of your TV watching will be sitting on the bed. And one other thing, we have a little table and chairs. As he's sitting down writing a postcard. And also something we've not seen before, but then we haven't been for a while. But there is a recycling and trash separator in the bin here. And I think we have a thunderstorm now, just as the monorail goes past.